Alright, so there's the 5-ton defrosting again. Oh my gosh, what is with these steam shows? They're like incredible. It actually smells really good. I don't know why people don't like the smell, but in my opinion, the steam show, what it smells like is really good. But yeah, you know how it's the culprit scroll. When I went to defrost, I was like, okay, yeah, I'll film it. I don't think it's gonna be really big. There's like 71% humidity, but as soon as it kicked in, so yep. Alright, yeah. I'll be back once it turns on, and we'll continue this good steam show. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.